As Kenya seeks to cement its position as a leading investment destination in the East Africa region, the first ever Kenya International Investment Conference couldn't have come at a better time. The forum was attended by over 1,000 delegates who sampled what the country has to offer. Elayne Wangalwa reports. Built around agriculture, manufacturing, real estate and services sector, Kenya's economy is diversified and advanced compared to most of the peers in the region. The country's impressive returns on investments have become the bait attracting local and international investors.
This Kenya International Investment Conference, we call it KICO 2014, is first of its kind. I mean, the country has held conferences that have discussed trade and investment before, but this one is one with a difference. We have brought investors from all parts of the world. And the last count I have is that maybe around 300 or so or more from different parts of the world, from UK, from China, from Japan, from Egypt, from all over.
During the conference, investors showed interest in various sectors.
Energy is a big hit because, of course, we are targeting to generate 5,000 megawatts within 3 years, and because that demand and the fact that we have a lot of opportunities, like geothermal, is the richest country in the world in terms of right now. The knowledge we have, Kenya is the richest in geothermal resources. Wind is very, very strong, very good regime for generating power. Solar is the same. So there are a lot of opportunities for green energy, or really alternative energy, and a lot of investors are interested in entering that sector.
So we're looking for the investment opportunity in Kenya, especially we are interested in energy sectors. So today we had a very good presentation from all the speakers about the energy sector, especially geothermal, which we are very much interested in. Okay, geothermal is kind of the new energy which attracts a lot of attention, and also we'd like to provide the equipment which is very specific and which has very specialty, especially in geothermal. So we are very much interested in going into this project.
We bring the chance investors come to Kenya and other East Africa countries. Right now we are working on geothermal generation plant and the solar energy, meanwhile as well as the real estate development. So yeah, that's the thing we're doing right now.
Nonetheless, the energy sector, which was the most sought out area, has its share of challenges.
Well, several challenges like court cases, and when there is a court case, it means that the investment is delayed. Other challenges are way lifts, what we call the right of way, because we do not pass through anybody's land without permission. And we've had a springing of cases of very high expectations.
But the government says it has put in sound measures to improve the environment.
In renewables, we have a feed-in policy, and that policy encourages investors to do feasibility studies, select sites, and come and get a PPA without going through a bidding process, because the prices are prescribed. Then we have got exemptions of duty, VAT, and other taxes, so that we can promote these investments in the sector.
With what it says was a successful inaugural conference, the government plans to make this an annual feat.
What we have been trying to achieve in this is basically to show what the country has to offer. In fact, we are having two main slogans or main focus in the conference. Number one, Kenya. Why Kenya? Why Kenya? I mean, there's so many. All the countries are looking for investors. So why Kenya? Why should they come to Kenya? And what we are saying is it's a country of unlimited possibilities. The second clarion call is that there has never been a better time to invest in Kenya and in East Africa than now. Why? Because the region is growing very fast. There are a lot of the opportunities I've talked about. The governments are all, working day and night to solve any challenges in the business and the investment climate. And so it is really a time we've not seen before.
Meanwhile,
intra-EAC trade has grown tremendously, having achieved significant milestones in ensuring the successful implementation of policies and programs.
The East African community has had a customs union since 2005, and this customs union is working very well. It's led to increased intra-EAC trade among the partner states. It has led to some cases the lowering of prices. In other cases, the involvement of more businesses into the trading arrangement. We have started implementing a single customs territory, which is in many ways a completion of the customs union. And so goods are moving more freely within the region.